Your administration achieved a lot since coming to power in 2015. A lot more can still be done. What are the things you'd like to see accomplished before you leave office?
I hope the rest of Nigerians that are making trouble, the terrorists and so on, will understand Nigeria's problem is for people to be productive in terms of producing the food we eat. Look at when we closed our borders for about 2 years. We stopped importing rice. A lot of people had gone back to the land and they haven't regretted it. We are now feeding ourselves and some rice is being exported. So this is my objective and I am achieving it. My only problem is that there are still people who really benefit from killing other people and stealing and so on.
What message do you have for them?
Well, I hope they will sit and reflect and make sure that they save their names and the names of their families.